Hello, and welcome to CNY Weathertainment. We're back for the week Monday through New Year's into the following Sunday. Reminder, if you like to get this live, you can. You just have to download on your desktop or your cell phone the free app live stream. Follow CNY Jeff Matthews. You can do the exact same thing on Periscope and follow me there at 6:05. Meanwhile, you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. You can also put this in your feed to share the wealth with others so that others know the gospel of weathertainment. It's all at CNY Jeff Matthews. Easy to remember, right? 3 weather headlines, and you're going to want to pay attention to this one because it's not just partly sunny and cool. This will impact your week. Dicey Tuesday morning for sure. We'll talk about what that's about. New Year's Eve, probably quiet. So if you're headed out New Year's Eve, you probably can do so, at least in central New York, without any weather concerns. And a sign of the times, a much colder weather pattern ahead. Now, first, I want you to look at this. This is not the forecast. This was the forecast when last I saw you Wednesday night. And Thursday turned out to be exactly 68, just as forecast. Friday, I predicted 52, and it was 54. And Saturday, I said 45, and it was 46. Nice to know that you have found the most accurate meteorologist you can possibly find. And he's right here in central New York. So spread the word. This is my forecast. The average is down to 30 and still going down slightly until the first couple of weeks of January. Then it begins leveling off and then begins warming up. But our forecast numbers are now staying colder. Freezing mark for Monday, a little above for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then back down into 2016. I'm even forecasting a year ahead, my friends. Hey, cold front from Sunday evening has passed through. A little bit of partial clearing coming in for Monday only. This is a one day show only for a little bit of sun through the high clouds, but it'll be colder as this colder air sinks in. Meanwhile, as the colder air sinks in, this storm that has been causing havoc across the south with tornadoes in Texas, heavy snow in Texas, El Paso receiving inches to feet of snow. Crazy over the Lone Star State, but the cold air moving in, this storm moving along the warm frontal boundary means that the precip will get into the cold air before the cold air has a chance to retreat Tuesday morning. So that's why Tuesday looks dicey. There you can clearly see, this is a cold front. The northern part is pushing through. The southern part is staying just about level until this storm that is spinning snow in New Mexico, and Texas moves north and east along that boundary, and so the northern part of this will turn to snow, which will affect us, central New York, Monday night, 8 o'clock. You're looking at central New York. The snow begins after 8 o'clock, maybe as soon as 6 to 8 o'clock for Oneonta and Unadilla. Norwich and Sherburne could get in on the snow before 8 o'clock, 6 or 7. But then 8 o'clock for the Mohawk Valley to 10 o'clock is the start. That'll spread northwards up into the Adirondacks. Snow for several hours. We'll probably pick up several inches here in the Mohawk Valley. Then the ice. It'll convert over to ice for a wide swath on the southern part of the snow and the northern part of the rain. There'll be a wide swath Tuesday morning where there'll be some snow pellets, some ice pellets, some freezing rain, and then Tuesday mid-morning the rain will overtake as the storm makes its closest pass, and it will move almost directly overhead. That's why the wide variety of weather expected. Here's how much snow. 1 to 3 inches for the Mohawk Valley, less than an inch for Otsego, Chenango, southern Madison counties. You're just not going to be in the snow long enough. All of it, or a lot of it, gets washed away in the sleet, freezing rain, and rain Tuesday morning. But up over the Adirondacks, it stays mostly or all snow, and they could be looking at anywhere from at least 3 inches to a foot of snow. Here's the almanac, how it turned out for the weekend. Pretty close, especially for Saturday. 7100ths in the rain gauge, and I'll have your forecast in a moment.
I'm Kevin, this is Danny, and this is Zoe. And we love our CNY Weathertainment.
For your Monday, partly sunny. It's going to be the dim sun, though, with a high cloud deck passing through. Colder, a high of only around the freezing mark. West wind shifting into north, then into southeast as it goes around the compass dial. because we're in transition. Monday night, snow after 8 o'clock, could be before 8 again for Otsego and southern Madison and Chenango counties. A low of 24 in the evening hours, right when the snow starts. But the numbers will begin rising after midnight. Sleet first thing Tuesday morning, freezing rain, then it tapers off late morning and afternoon to just kind of a drizzle, and a high of 38 degrees. This will be later in the day, so the morning will be dicey. And then the 7-day forecast has a lot of cloud cover in it still. Let's say for Wednesday, you're talking about mostly cloudy skies, high of 40, snow showers Wednesday night, could be a minor accumulation, mostly cloudy for New Year's Eve day. Then Friday, New Year's Day, the first day of the year, snow showers, minor accumulation there. Flurries on Saturday and more snow showers on Sunday. So all of a sudden now, we're transitioning into a period where you're going to start seeing the white stuff that we've put off to this point. That's your forecast. Make it a great day.